Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I have another treat box to share with you. This could be a really cute little gift box too for like a necklace or bracelet, anything like that, but it's really cute. I'm using the Delightful Tag Topper punch for this one, but if you have any of the tag topper punches, they will work as well for this box. So I thought it turned out super cute. It is 5 inches by 2 by 1 high. So this is what I am sharing today. I'm going to change up the designer series paper. It's actually the same one, but it's flipped over on the other side, and we're going to use Pool Party this time for the box. Alright, so this is what you need. You're going to need a piece that is 11 by 8. Like I said, this one is Pool Party. We are using the designer series paper that is Garden Lane. This is retiring and I'm super sad. I haven't used this enough. I love it. I'm using this pattern, but this is the one I used on that box I just showed. So I'm going to use this side. I thought it'd be a little bit brighter and cheerier, so we're going to try something else. And then, but look at this paper. It's super pretty. And I just have not used it quite as much as I really should have. I'm really sad that I didn't take this out more. There were so many other ones that I had, but I will use it on some other projects. So we are going to mat it with this. So you need one piece, or if you want to mat both top pieces, this is going to be 1 7/8 by 4 3/4, so you'll have to cut 2 if you want to mat both. I didn't think it was necessary to mat both. So that's for the top. You need 2 that are 1 7/8 by 4 3/4, and then 2 more that are 7/8 by 2. And then you'll need some Scrap Whisper White for our tag. And we are using the So Sentimental stamp set. You know, this is one of my favorite bundles, but I'm using this Yummylicious because I haven't used it yet and I've been dying to use it. And this comes with the Stitch So Sweetly dies, these right here. But we're not using these dies, but you absolutely can if you want. I'm going to treat you to some of the new dies that are coming out June 3rd. This is called the Tasteful Labels dies. It does bundle up with the Tasteful Touches stamp set, so it's the stamp set, and it bundles with this, so you save 10% if you get them both. But look at these labels in here. Look how gorgeous. And I did a haul, and you probably saw me show these in the haul, but I'm going to use this die right here. That's what makes that really cute little tag that I have on the box. All right. Let's get started with this. Let's go ahead and stamp and send it through the Big Shot, and then we'll get the box together because it just seems like once I get the Big Shot stuff done, it's a lot easier. Alright, so we're just going to stamp our Yummylicious. I'm going to stamp it right in the middle so we can, it's a circle. And then I'm using my macaron. Actually, for this one, I'm going to use my Pool Party. I forgot to change it out. So I'm going to use the light Pool Party on here. I may change it and use the dark. I'm not sure. But we're going to just color inside this little like ribbon here. Just to give this a little bit of color to match our DSP. And let's see if I'm just looking to see if I want to use the dark on it. And I think I'm going to try the dark on here. Yeah, I think I'm going to like the dark better, so I'm just going to go over it with the dark. Alright, there we go. That's all ready to run through the Big Shot. So let's grab the Big Shot really quickly. And this is a quick run through. So we're just gonna, and I'm leaving a little bit more space on the top so I can punch my little hole for my ribbon. And look how cute that is. I love this one. It's very, very cute. All right, so I'm using our, let's see, this one is the Label Me Fancy, and I'm just going to use it for the hole punch, the punch part, so you can use whatever you have. But this is so quick and easy. I always have been using this a lot lately. All right, so now let's get to our box. I'm going to score it. So we're going to score this on the 11-inch side at 2, 3, 8, and 9. And then you're going to turn it on the 8-inch side, and we're going to score it at 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, so now we're ready to cut. We are going to cut these two at the top off. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side as we will on the other. So we're cutting these two off. You're going to cut down this one all the way to your second score mark, and then we're going to cut this off here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to cut these two at the top off. Then we're going to cut these all the way down to the second score mark, and then cut this one off. And then we're going to cut in these two. And also this one. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to cut these two at the top off. You're going to cut this to the second score mark. I'm cutting that off. And then we're going to do the same to this side. These two off. And we're going to cut this one down, second score mark. Cut that off, and then cut into these two. And that is it for cutting. All right, we're going to sharpen all these score marks. All right, so they are all sharpened now. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our Delightful Tag Topper punch in, and we are going to punch our ends here. And I like to do it from this side so I can make sure that it is evenly in there. Punch that one, and then we're going to do the same with this side. So we have our ends punched, ready for our ribbon and everything ready to go. All right, so let's grab some glue. I'm going to use wet glue for this one. You can use tear and tape. I do like using tear and tape on these. It just takes longer in the video. I always mention that because although this glue, it holds really well. So if you want to do it for boxes, it works really well. Make sure all your corners are square. This one I need to straighten it up. All right, and then we're going to do, I like to fold these back. It makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to put these two on. And I'm going to mat it here in just a minute. So one side's going to fold in like this, and then I just matted, that's why I said if you want to mat both, you can mat both, but I'm just matting the outside piece. So we're going to You can use your snail for this as well, but I like the wet glue, so I'm gonna use it. And then we're gonna do the sides. If you want to do the little flaps that we just punched, you can mat those ahead of time, and you can do those. I just wanted a little bit, I didn't want too much of the pattern, so that's why I kept those plain. But you can definitely, if you want those matted as well, you can mat those first and then punch them. And then we're going to do the other sides here. Like that. And then this is going to fold like this. We're going to grab some pool party ribbon here. And this is our, which is the shimmer ribbon. I'm not sure if this one's retiring or not. I didn't check before I did the video, but be aware that a lot of stuff is retiring. This paper is retiring, not the punch. The punch is still going to be available, but just the paper. Pool Party cardstock will still be available. The blends would still be available. I think only the Designer Series paper in this case is going to be discontinued or retired. Oops, I put that on too early. I needed to tie it first. I like to tie it first and then put it on. Yeah, there we go. Now we'll put this on. I love the little Yummy-licious, but you can put anything on it that you like. So we're going to do a bow here. And I'm going to trim those ends because I did fray them a little bit when I put it through there. Okay, so there you have it. Are they not cute? I really love this. This one's cute. You can really see up against the white pattern, you can really see the design of the punch. This one, because it's so solid, I think that you can't see it as well. But you can do it macaron too, because there is macaron in this pattern, so you can do it either way. But I think I'm favoring this one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Have a blessed one. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye.